Third question, 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x is equal to 0. Anyhow, you have to equate it to 0. But see here, there is something different, right? You can see that, is this in the general form? No. So you have to make it into the general, shuffle the numbers here and there so that you will bring that in the general form. So bringing the number in the general form, you will get it as 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. First the term of x squared, then comes the term of x, then comes the constant number, then is equal to 0. That's the general form. So you got 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0, means 6 is your A, minus 7 is your B, and minus 3 is your C. Keep this much in your mind. Now let us split the middle term. How to split the middle term? What is the first coefficient? It is 6. What is the last coefficient? It is 3. 6 3s are 18. Factorize 18. 1 into 18. Then 2 into 9, that's also 18. 3 into 6, that's also 18. That much. Only these three factors are there. Means if you are multiplying 3 into 6 and 6 into 3, both of them comes the same. That's why 3 into 6 is quite enough. You took the three sets. So the first set 1 and 18. Second set 2 and 9. Third set 3 and 6. Now check out the sign of the last number. What is the sign of the last number? It is minus. That means you have to subtract these two numbers, and the answer of that subtracted thing should be equal to the center term. Here what is the center term? 7 is the center term. Let us check it out. 1 and 18. When you are minusing 1 and 18, you will never get 7. Second term, 2 and 9. Yes. When you are subtracting 2 and 9, definitely you will get 7. So selected. What are the digits? It is 2 and 9. So here you can see that 18, right? 18, 6 3s are, how much it is? It's 18. So now what we have to do? We have to factorize 18. When factorizing 18, what are the numbers that you got? 1 into 18 is 18. Then 9 2s are 18. That means 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. There are three sets. One is 1 and 18. Second one is 2 and 9. Third one is 3 and 6. Okay. So anyhow, you got these three sets. Among these three sets, one of the set we will be choosing so as to split the middle term. That's what we are going to do right now. So here let us get into the solution. Now listen to this very carefully. Here see how to select the numbers. I told you, check the sign of the last number. Here what is the last number? That means what is the constant number? It's minus 3, right? Minus 3 means the sign is minus. That means when you are subtracting these two numbers, you should get the middle term. What is the middle term here? It's 7x. You can see it's 7x here. So while subtracting these two things, you have to get that 7x. You have to get 7. Now tell me, 1 and 18, that is the first set. When subtracting 18 and 1, will you get 7? Obviously no. Then what is the second set? 2 and 9. While subtracting 9 and 2, will you get 7? Yes. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So we got the set. It is 2 and 7. There is no need to check out the third set because already we got the answer. So now what is the thing which we have to substitute here? What is the thing which we have to substitute here? It is 9x and 2x. You got it. Now let us think about the sign. Let us decide which sign should we give to those numbers. Okay. Now checking this one, what can we understand? Again check out the final number, the last number. You can see it is negative. The sign is minus. So if the sign is minus, what does it mean? I told you, if the sign is minus, that means these two numbers have different signs. They have different. If one is positive, other should be negative. That's it. So now, what should be positive, what should be negative? That is the next thing which we have to decide. For deciding that one, you have to check again the center term. Sign of the center term. What is the sign of the center term? Here the center term is minus 7x. So the sign is minus. So give the same sign to the bigger number. 9 and 2, which is bigger number? 9 is bigger number. So you will give the same sign to 9. So when you are giving the same sign to 9, what it become? Minus 9, right? Minus 9x and plus 2x. Now let us split the middle term. See here, while splitting the middle term, what did you got here? 6x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now 6x square minus 9x, that is the first term. From that one, what can be common? 3x can be taken as common. Taking 3x outside, what will you get? You will get 2x minus 3 within brackets. Then plus, what about the next two terms? In a single glance, you can see that there is nothing common, right? You can't see that something is common. If you can't see something common, take 1 as a common outside, that's it. So from these two terms, we are going to take 1 as common. Taking 1 outside, taking 1 outside, what you will get? 1 into, within brackets, again 2x minus 3. One more thing, let me remind you something. See here, in these two brackets, you can see both of the terms are exactly the same term. Keep this in your mind. In both of the brackets, exactly the same term should come, it will come. When you're doing, if it is not coming, then you have made somewhere a mistake. Okay, that will be a warning for you. Like that you can understand, you yourself can verify whether what you are doing is right or wrong, like that. So in this particular case, when you are coming to this particular step, you can understand that whether you have done it right way, in the right way, or is it going in some other ways, like that. Okay, here you can see that in both of the brackets, it's exactly the same term. It is 2x minus 3. Now bring the 2x minus 3 outside. When you're bringing this 2x minus 3 outside, what will become? 2x minus 3 within a bracket. Then in the other bracket, it will come 3x plus 1. Got it? Is equal to 0. So as I told, if the product of two numbers is 0, that means any one of these numbers should be 0, right? Then only the product will become 0. So here we can say 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or what is the second term? 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, what about the value of x? X will be equal to 3 by 2. What about the next term? If 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 1 by 3, right? So you got two values of x. So we will take it as alpha and beta. Now let us verify. You got two roots. Next step is verification. What is the thing which we have to verify? Alpha plus beta, right? So let us verify that one. Alpha plus beta is equal to, here what is the alpha? It is 3 by 2. Plus, what is the beta? It is minus 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta means 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Taking the LCM, it is 6. So there comes 9 minus 2. That's equal to, what is it? 7 by 6. Let us check it, whether it is minus b by a. What about our equation? Forget not, inside the given question, we changed the question into a standard form. So that is the original thing which we have to check out. That is your a, b and c, not the thing which is given in the question. Okay, every time a, b and c should be the coefficients of the terms when they are written in the standard form. Forget not. Okay, so here a means it is 6, b means it is minus 7, and c means it is minus 3. So here minus b by a. What is minus b by a? Here minus b means minus of minus 7. That means it will become plus 7 by, what is a? It is 6 itself. So 7 by 6. Yeah, it's verified. Second one, alpha beta means the product of fruit. Let us verify the product of fruits. Alpha beta is equal to, tell me, here what is alpha? 3 by 2 into, what is beta? Minus 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. Now tell me, what is 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3? If there is something to cancel, you can cancel. Yes, there is. On the top and bottom, you can see 3 is there. It's common, so you can cancel them. Now, while cancelling, what did you got? What did you got? Minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? You got minus 1 by 2. Now let us check it whether it is c by a, because we already know alpha beta should be equal to c by a. That's what we are going to check it out. Now, what is c by a? What is c? Here, look out. What is c? C is minus 3. So minus 3 by, what is a? 6. Minus 3, 6. 3 and 6, you can cancel them together. So top and bottom, when you're cancelling them, you will get 1 by 2. That means minus 1 by 2 itself. It's verified. Right? This is the way how to find the zeros of an equation and then verify the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Clear? Coming to the next question. 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Here actually there is only two terms. 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. See, this typical question, it's in u. So we can say it's p of u. Okay. So here, see, 4 and 8. Right? There is a common between something, right? What is common here? 4u is common. So bring out that 4, take it out. When you're taking that 4u outside, what you will get? 4u into, then within brackets. Whenever you are removing the common term, then whatever lies, it should be inside the brackets. It should be kept inside the brackets itself. So 4u into, what is the left? See, in the first term, if you are removing 4u, what will be there? After removing 4u, there will be only u, right? Plus, in 8u, if you are taking 4 outside, then 2 will be remaining there. U already, it's outside. It's already taken outside. So, u plus 2 within brackets, that's equal to 0. That means 4u into u plus 2 is equal to 0. While multiplying two numbers, if you got 0, what does it mean? In both of these numbers, any one number should be 0. That means in next line we will write, that is 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now 4u is equal to 0. If 4u is equal to 0, what will be the value of u? Therefore, u is equal to 0 because it's 0 by 4. You got one value, 0. What about the second value? U plus 2 is equal to 0, right? So, u is equal to minus 2. So, what is alpha? Alpha is 0. What is beta? Beta is minus 2. You got two answers. You got the roots. That means you got the zeros. Now, let us verify that one. What is alpha plus beta? It is 0 plus minus 2. That means minus 2 itself. Let us check it whether it is minus b by a. What is minus b by a? Here, what is your b? It is 8. So, minus b means minus 8 divided by, what is your a? It is 4. So, minus 8 by 4. It's minus 2 itself, right? Yeah. So, it's verified. What about alpha beta? Check it out. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is c here? Is there any c? You can see in the equation itself there is no constant term. C is what we call the constant term. So here the constant term is not there. So we can say the value of C in this equation is 0. So we can say alpha beta is equal to, already we got it as 0. That means that is C by A. C is 0. So 0 by, what is your A? A is 4. So 0 by 4, that's 0 itself. Hence, it's also verified. Like this, you have to find the solution. I mean, you have to find the zeros. Thereafter, you have to verify. Okay, whenever you are doing these typical types of question, you have to read the question very perfectly. If it is given to verify, you have to verify. And if it is not given to verify, try not to verify. Keep it there. Just find the zeros, that's enough. That will be your final solution. Clear? Turning over to the next question. T square minus 15 is equal to 0. Here also there is only two terms. So anyhow there is only a single variable. So keep it there. T square is equal to, taking this 15 to right hand side, what will it become? Plus 15, right? So t square is equal to 15. If you want to find t, next line, t is equal to root of 15. That means root of any number can be positive, can be negative also. So we will write plus or minus 15. That means it can be plus 15 or it can be minus root 15. It can be positive root 15. It can be negative root 15. So we will write alpha is equal to root 15. Beta is equal to minus root 15. Now let's verify alpha plus beta. What is alpha? It is root 15. What is beta? Minus root 15. Adding them together, you will get 0. So alpha plus beta is 0. Let us check whether this is equal to minus b by a. Come on, tell me what is b? In this equation, what is b? Is there any b? No. Why? There is, you can see in this equation, there is no any such term which is in t. Because it's an equation in t, right? It is p of t. So after t square, it should come, the next term should come in t. It's not there. That means the b is absent. That means b is 0 here. You can't see b there. So b is 0. So minus b by a means it's 0 by 1. So that's equal to 0 itself, hence verified. Alpha beta. Let us check alpha beta. Alpha and beta, multiplying them together, minus root 15 into plus root 15. What will be the answer? Root 15 into root 15 is 15 itself. Plus into minus is minus. So you will get minus 15. Now let us check whether it is c by a. What is your c? It is minus 15. What is your a? It is 1. So minus 15 by 1, minus 15 itself. So hence it's also verified. Hope you understood. One more question from this section. 3x squared minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. First of all, what we have to check? Whether the given term is in the standard form. Is it? Yes, it is. Now, multiply the coefficient of x squared and the constant term together. Here, x squared, the coefficient of x squared is 3. That means our a is 3 and our c is minus 4. Multiply them together. 3 4s are 12. Now, let us factorize 12. 1 into 12, that is 12. Then 2 into 6, that's also 12. 3 into 4, that's also equal to. So we got 3 sets. One is 1 and 12, another one is 2 and 6, third one is 3 and 4. You got 3 sets. Keep this in your mind. This is the way how to split. Actually, this is the topic of 9th class, which we have already studied in our previous lessons. Okay, I'm just revising that one again and again so that you can understand that one very thoroughly. It's so important, that's why. Because if you are not understanding how to split these terms, then definitely you are not going to get the correct answer. You will never get the answer. So that's why this is very important. Choosing the correct set is very important. Now there are 3 sets, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 4 and 3. Which one will be the apt one? Which one will be the perfect one? That's what we are going to check right now. Now I tell you, every time whenever you are checking the set, which set is relevant to substitute for the splitting of middle term. How to check that one? Check the sign of the last digit. I mean, check the sign of the constant term. Here the constant term is 4 and the sign is minus. That means when you are subtracting these two numbers, you have to receive the center term. What is the center term here? It is 1x, right? That means 1 is the center number. So when you're subtracting these two numbers, you have to get 1. Let us start. 12 minus 1. It is 11, not 1. Another one. 6 minus 2. It's 4. It is not 1. Third one. 3 and 4. 4 minus 3. It is 1. So that is the set. So you are going to take 3x and 4x. Now think about the signs. Check out the last sign. It is negative. That's why both of them will have different signs. Check out the center term. It is negative. That's why this negative. That's why this negative you have to give to the bigger number. So in 4x and 3x, which is the bigger number? Obviously 4x is the bigger number. So we will give minus 4x and plus 3x. Now bringing back. So we will write, splitting the middle term, we will write 3x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. From the first two terms, what is common? 3x is common. Bring it out. From the next two terms, 4 is common. Take it out. Now, bringing 3x outside, what you will get? 3x into x plus 1 minus 4 is common there. Minus 4 into, when you're bringing minus 4 outside, what you will get? X plus 1 within the brackets, right? X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here, check out both of the brackets. It's exactly the same number, x plus 1 itself. So we will take x plus 1 outside. X plus 1 into, what is the leftover numbers? 3x minus 4. So x plus 1 into 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. You got two terms. Now from the first term, if x plus 1 is equal to 0, what will be the value of x? X is equal to, tell me, taking this 1 to next side, it will become minus 1, right? Then what about the next term? 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. That means 3x is equal to 4. That means x is equal to 4 by 3. That means you got alpha minus 1 and you got beta 4 by 3, right? You got alpha and beta. After getting alpha and beta, what's the next step? Obviously, we have to verify the results of sum of the products and sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So, okay, here let us find sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to, what is alpha? It is minus 1 plus, what is beta? It is 4 by 3. Minus 1 plus 4 by 3. How much it will become? Taking the LCM 3, then minus 3 plus 4 divided by 3. That means 1 by 3. Let us check it whether it is minus b by a. Minus b by a, minus of, what is your b? It is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 means plus 1 by a, 3, 1 by 3. Yeah, it's verified. Second one, alpha beta. What is alpha beta? Here alpha is minus 1, beta is 4 by 3. Minus 1 into 4 by 3, it is minus 4 by 3. Now let us check it whether it is c by a. What about our c? C is minus 4 and a is 3. So c by a means minus 4 by 3. It's also verified. This is the way how to verify a given polynomial. Means a zero of a given polynomial. This is how to verify the zero of a given polynomial. Hope you understood this one. So again I repeat, read the question perfectly, because in some questions they will never ask you to verify. So if it is asked to verify, definitely you have to do it. Then only you will get the allotted full marks, or else you will get only the half marks for what you have found. So first of all, initially what you have to do, you have to find the zeros. Then you have to check out whether alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. After checking them, you can verify and you can complete. This is the way how to deal with this typical type of question. But again I tell you, you have to practice a lot regarding splitting the middle terms. For that, check out our channel and go to the 9th class topic and just understand how to factorize a quadratic polynomials. Okay, it's very important, because from that one only, that is the base, and from that one only we will have to do all this. We will be able to solve all these problems only from that base. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.